Let's talk about the Bulk Actions button. It's a real time saver. With this feature, you can apply markups, discounts, and other changes to multiple items all at once. You'll find it available on quotes, estimates, and invoices. Let's walk through how it works using a quote as an example. First, you'll need to select the line items you want to make changes to. Just tick the checkboxes next to each line item. And here's a pro tip. If you want to select all the items in a section, tick the first checkbox at the top of the list. Once you've made your selection, you'll see the Bulk Actions button appear. Go ahead and click it to see all the options you can choose from. Let's go through each of these options together. Delete. This one's straightforward. It removes all the selected line items from your document, but be careful, this action can't be undone. Combine to one line. This lets you group selected items into a single line, making your document look clean and simple. If you're curious about this, check out our guide on hiding line items for more details. Move to section. With this, you can quickly move selected line items to another section in the document. Apply cost plus markup. Want to add a markup to your items? Just enter a percentage and it'll calculate the markup based on each item's cost. If an item doesn't have a cost price, its sell price will be set to 0. And finally, apply tax rate and apply discount. These let you apply a tax rate or discounts to all the selected items. Just enter the percentage you need and it's done. And that's all there is to it. The Bulk Actions button is designed to save you time and make your workflow smoother, so why not give it a try today?